This is a brand new 2013 Acura TL. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Springfield Acura is located at 243 Route 22 East in Springfield. As we turn customers into lifetime friends, our goal is to continue to strive in exceeding your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.